Thank you for finding Knockout Crypto. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. I want to bring you guys, don't forget to go to knockoutcrypto.com, knockoutcrypto.com to get the next big crypto report. It's the best report in crypto for the cryptos that are going to be big. You could join at knockoutcrypto.com. Don't forget to check us out at knockoutcrypto.com. So China's digital currency will be two-tiered, replace cash, Binance says. So China's building a digital currency. If you guys don't know, it will be two-tiered and it will replace cash. Let's get into this article. A new research report from crypto exchange Binance says the China digital currency will most likely be a two-tiered system replacing notes and coins in circulation. The report issued yesterday claims the People's Bank of China's central bank digital currency CBDC will be backed one-to-one by renminbi fiat, as well as follow a two-tiered structured system within the bank, commercial banks, and retail participants. The first tier will connect the PBOC with commercial banks for currency issuance and redemption. The second layer will connect those commercial banks with the greater retail market. A technical roadmap, including the questioned use of the blockchain technology, has yet to be published, Binance said. And here's the prototype system: PBOC issued to commercial banks, withdraw from individuals and businesses, deposit back to the commercial banks, redemption back at PBOC. Binance claims the PBOC system could allow fund transfers without the need for a bank account. The end goal for the CBDC is to display a turnover rate as high as cash while achieving manageable anonymity. Binance says in the report, in other words, in the first layer network of the CBDC, real name institutions are expected to be registered, while the transfer in the second layer network will be anonymous from the perspective of users. The two-tier system could help the PBOC process as many as 300,000 transactions per second, currently not possible with blockchain technology. Binance said smart contract architecture has also been discussed. Under the Bank of International Settlements money taxonomy, the PBOC new digital currency could cover general purpose account-based money and central bank digital tokens, which in turn have their own general purpose and wholesale categories. The money flower, a taxonomy of money. If you could study this graph here, you guys, you could get an idea of the money flow and what is being planned for the China digital currency. So the People's Bank of China, CBDC, is purpose with replacing China's notes and coins of circulation, also known as the MO money supply. In other words, the CBDC is not meant to replace funds within the central bank or money holding institutions. Binance listed retail payments, interbank clearing, and cross-border payments as the practical reasons for replacing the MO with a CBDC. So a CBDC, I think I want to make sure I clarify that. A CBDC is a central bank digital currency. So it's going to be a central bank digital currency that will replace money within retail payments, interbank clearing, cross-border payments as practical reasons for replacing the MO with a central bank digital currency. Once again, the central bank digital currency in China will replace, hopefully, retail payments, interbank clearing, and cross-border payments. That is a lot of money flow that's going to be replaced by a central bank digital currency. Now, why would they do this? Because of counterfeits. They want to reduce counterfeiting. They lose millions, maybe billions of dollars to counterfeiting and loss of tracking of funds and theft. You have a lot of theft and counterfeiting. And this right here, having a central bank digital currency can reduce theft, can reduce counterfeiting, and could save the country a lot of money. So going to a central bank digital currency makes sense. So more information. This was another article on this. China's crypto competitor is being built in a secret office with restricted access. So they really are going forward with this because they realize that digital money is the way to go. No more non-digital money. The People's Bank of China is charging full speed ahead with its digital currency plans, hoping to beat Facebook's Libra to market. A dedicated team from the central bank's digital currency research lab is now developing a system in a closed-door environment away from the PBOC downtown digital headquarters, a person close to the bank told Coinbase. The team has been working in this separate location since early summer so they could fully concentrate on the project, this person said. The work has been expedited as Facebook unveiled in June its vision for Libra, a global currency to facilitate payments, the source said. The Libra announcement rattled governments around the world, spurring congressional hearings in the United States and a bold new thinking by central bankers as Bank of England's Governor Mark Carney. Much about the PBOC project remains under wraps, and there have been conflicting accounts about the timetable and the degree of involvement by major Chinese companies. According to a September 4th report by state-owned media outlet China Daily, closed-loop testing has begun for the central bank digital currency to simulate payment scenarios involving some commercial and non-government institutions. If things goes well, the project could launch sooner than Libra, which is targeting the first half of 2020 for its debut, China said in an earlier report. Forbes reported last week that China's big four state-owned commercial banks, as well as fintech giants Alibaba, Tencent, UnionPay, and an unnamed company, will be the first batch of organizations to receive this central bank digital currency. It could be launched as soon as November, Forbes said. The four banking giants are Bank of China, China Construction Bank, Agricultural Bank of China, and the Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, which is one of the largest banks in the world by total assets. But hours following Forbes' report, Chinese publication Tencent News and CNET said the timeline and the scope of the 8 institutions were inaccurate speculations, citing people close to the central bank. And yet, a second source who's familiar with the PBOC central bank digital currency efforts told Coinbase that organizations mentioned in the Forbes report have indeed participated in the development of the central bank digital currency initiative, but the source would not say whether all or some of the mentioned institutions will be receiving the state-backed digital yuan upon the launch. A third person who works for one of the mentioned institutions said there's such work ongoing inside his organization, but it's unclear what the actual contribution is since the details are confidential due to non-disclosure agreements. The mentioned organizations did not respond to Coindesk for a request for comment. Whenever this central bank digital currency launches, the central bank may not roll it out nationwide on day one. Chinese state-owned publication Global Times said last week, citing industry sources familiar with the matter, that the system may be launched in Shenzhen first to test the waters. Their local companies, including Tencent and state-owned financial institutions, are researching technical frameworks to support the development of the CBDC, which is the central bank digital currency. The PBOC Digital Currency Research Lab previously launched an entity called Shenzhen Fintech Research Institute with Shenzhen local government and financial regulator to undertake fintech and digital currency-related projects. The institute has also been on a hiring spree with job advertisements looking for various technical experts, including blockchain architects and cryptography specialists, to be based in Shenzhen and Beijing. The PBOC Digital Currency Research Lab has filed more than 50 patent applications to detail the potential design of the state-backed digital yuan. Coinbase reported previously that based on patent filings, the envisioned CBDC may only resemble a cryptocurrency at the surface level as a peer-to-peer transaction system, but will strip off most cryptocurrencies' anonymity and decentralization features. So it's gonna probably so China's digital fiat wants to compete with Bitcoin, but it's not a crypto, right? And that's something that you guys are gonna see. It's not gonna be a crypto. It's not gonna be decentralized. It will be a centralized system, and it's not gonna be anonymous because they're gonna need to track it. So that's what the central bank in China is working on. But I will say they're moving forward with this with 50 patents. They're moving forward with this. So anyone that tells you that digital currency is not coming is lying. The banks are all over digital currency. They're wanted, and in China, they're all trying to race to be the first person to come up with a digital currency. China, they're doing it in Facebook, but mainly China right now. I just want to focus on China. So if China's doing it, you can rest assured that the other countries are trying to do it too. Everyone wants to be the first to come out with a big digital currency, a digital currency that will work. It just makes sense from a counterfeit perspective and from a theft perspective to have digital currency. There could be billions of dollars saved if there was a central bank digital currency. It'd be easier for them to track instead of having money that is, we know it gets stolen and we know there's counterfeit. So it's used to have a digital currency. Governments will be really, China realizes the benefits of it, and that's why they're moving full speed ahead with it. And I would say, don't be surprised if other countries follow suit. All right, guys, thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Thank you for following the channel. Thank you for supporting us. Go to knockoutcrypto.com, join, and get the next big crypto report. I really appreciate when you guys give us support for that. Okay, thank you guys for following the channel.
In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams, and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.